Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the command event of button control in ASP.NET with C#. So let us take first I share my laptop screen. Okay, and here Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2012 Web Edition is open. Web Basic website folder is open. In File menu, we take new file. And here Visual C# is selected, web form file is selected, and here we give the name of file like cmd event and just press add button, and in reason tag we take one panel control as a container, one that is id runner row side and grouping text that is command event. Okay. After that we have to take one button like id ta donate roadside text that is the word list, and whenever we take the command event that time command argument and command name we have to be compulsory, and these two properties very important for command event. So here command name vbt bird, we have to take two lists bird and animal in this example. So here command name like bt list and last on command event, and that is bt cmd. Okay, so here first button is completely, then take the copy and paste for second button or second list bta. BTA is a first name, so here we change the BTB, but bird list and animal list. Here provide the text for second button animal, and here argument is BT animal. Command name is same and on command event is same. Okay, here you have to provide one BR tag and take one bullet list to display our list. First, provide the ID like bull underscore list and run a server side. Okay, so let us check first our design. Okay, so both button very closely. We can, there is two way we directly here in design part. Okay, and also we provide the pace like here ampersand and BSP and semicolon and BSP and semicolon. This is give one page, and you can take copy and paste. That time I here take the three, that is the provide the three blank space between two buttons. So here gap is so large. Now also in panel control we supply like back color, and that is the pink. Okay, so looking for better. So yes, now okay, now check the first button. We take two button and one bullet list. Our goal, whenever click the bird, that time bird list is appear, and when click animal, that time animal list is appear. So here first check, we take two button but we write only one command event. So here command and bt cmd, we just double click that bt cmd command first button is open. Also check for second button, here symbol is event and here bt same name. Okay, so we take two button but provide only one command argument. So here first our coding is start, and before the paid load we take generic list. C# you have to know generic and non-generic. Like array list is a non-generic list. You can provide the different data type that the list or member and here we supply the same data type like string for bird, and here new operator to allocate the memory, and just copy for second list to animal. Okay, and now we supply the value like b dot add method is there, and here we provide bird name like sparrow and copy, and 3 times here change the name of bird like parrot, and third supply like dove. Okay, same way for a dot add method is there, so here we provide the animal like cow and just copy and paste 2 times. You can take more than 3 lists apply to your example, and here I cover the bird and animals list. You can take for your choice like flower and vegetables or any other to your choice. Okay, now got and last like horse. Okay, so our to list is completed. Now coding in the command event. First we take if condition. In if condition e dot, where is the appear e? Here second argument command event argument for e. In ASP.NET, generally object sender and event argument, that is the same signature of rest of most of control in ASP.NET. But here command second argument is different, command event argument. So here we first check the command name, that is the same for both button like BT list. So our if condition is always true because command name in we check in the design part or source code. So here our command name is the same BT list. Okay, but command name is command argument is different. So here we take one switch case block, and here we provide e dot command argument to string. So identify, you press the which button, or object sender. Object is a superclass in C plus C sharp and Java. So object sender is a important to identify you runtime which button is pressed. And here we also apply our logic to second argument. Argument is different. So when we press the bird list, that time print the bird list to bullet list. So, and whenever we press the animal, that time animal list is print. So we write the first case, and that is the name we provide BT bird. Okay, column sign is there. Our bullet list bull underscore list, that is the ID of bullet list, and data source, that is the property, and we assign just B. B is our generic list for bird, and next we take bullet list and take data bind method, that is the binding to our generic list to the bullet list, and provide B a tag. Okay, so first case is complete, copy that case, and for second case to animal list. So here we just change animal, and here a, and rest of code is the same. So control S for saving. So here our logic command name is same. So if condition is true, then e dot command argument is different. If user press in the button for birds, then that list is supplied to the bullet list using the data source, that is the assignment, and data bind method is binding to the generic list of bird to that bullet list. And here if this case is not true, then user press and the second button for animal, and that generic list to assign to the bullet list. And also important, the object sender runtime recognize the user press which button. So let us check first our output, our logic is work or not. Here command event argument ASP file is running. Just press for bird. So bird list appear in the binder bullet list, and just press animal. So here the animal list bind with the bullet list. So I think you can understand better. Last, I summarize first in design part. We take the panel as a container and three control, two button and one bullet list in button. The ID is different, run at server side, text, but uh, bird and animal command argument is different, but command name is same and on command is the same. You can give the duplicate name to both button. And here very important properties command argument and command name, because whenever you take the on command event, that time you can compulsory supply the command argument and command name. Let us check our logic. First logic part, we have to take two generic lists like here bird and animal, and after provide the memory allocation to using new operator, and we supply the three list for first bird and three list to the animal. And after the providing the list, we have take the command event, and our command name is same. Here I use the E as our coding part, and command bt list is same for both, that is if condition is always true, then take the switch case block E dot command argument dot toString. User press the bird button, then bird list bind to bullet list. Otherwise, user can press the animal buttons, that time that list is supplied to the bullet list. So I hope you understand very well, and this is complete my session. I hope you can understand better. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy, and also press the bell icon to never miss any update. Hare Krishna, and thanks for watching and waiting for my next upcoming video lecture. Thanks.